Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. 2021 garden harvesting with my kids. So guys, keep watching. I hope you have fun with us. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on. Okay, look at Chema, come here. Look at this one here. Then there. Let me see. I hope something I've not eaten it. It's on the back. Let me see. Oh, that's just, oh my god, something I've started eating it. That's why I don't let them ripe so much. Okay, I'll cut it out. It's okay. Especially those ones that is on the floor. When they get ripe, something will start eating them, like enjoying themselves. Oh my god. This one is so like this is giant. I hope I don't break it. Calm down. Don't hurt yourself. Can you see that?
What?
Now, if I want me to give her my big giant one. Oh, Chama got the same one too. Tomatoes and then look under here. Can you see? Down there, there's a lot of them in there.
Oh, there are a lot of white ones.
I don't even know how to get in between. Let's do this one is at the tip side. Chama got any the way hand Chevy get the way hand. Be careful of those sharp stuff there. Don't want to hurt yourself.
Why did they grow there?
I don't know. They're just annoying grass that just grow randomly.
Mom, I found some things that are already starting to eat on this one.
Yeah, we're lucky to find them. Yeah, Tia, Mitch, I will wash everything. Put them in there.
And we should also wash our hands when we get inside.
Of course. No, we haven't been out here for like 2 days now, and for that 2 days, this is what happened. A lot. And all this crazy stuff that is now. Oops. We might need to go inside and get more, look for more container that is free. This one is not very ripe, but that's okay. Because if I don't come out here by tomorrow, it might be completely ripe and something will start eating it as well. There you know, it's not now hot and you can't just go in there and get it yourself. This guy safe, eh? If na ebe no way he name, go with another container, get basket, something that is big.
Something that is big.
Come on over. Look at these ones. I'm plugging all these ones. Oops. Hope I didn't rip everything in that bunch. So all this one that is not properly ripe, we'll set them aside in the garage, just like I did the last time. Oh my god, look in here. How do I get into? How do I get in between? Sure, now you have to touch a bit yourself. This one is like half ripe, half ripe, half not ripe. That's so weird. Okay, I'll just put it like that.
Looks cool.
That's really awkward. Awkward ripening. Now you get yeah. Whatever. The way we'll just probably put it on the floor. We'll put it on the floor until if Naya is back with the container. Hey, can't hold one excuse or job an email. Oh shit. Did you get it? Okay. So if not, Chama, can you hear me? You don't want to break it. Your daddy used that. I know. Look at that ant. What is it called? Is it squirrel? Right? Yeah, that's squirrel. Grass cutter that keep coming here to eat up all the watermelon. I hope he hasn't eaten this one. Well, let's keep protecting it as much as we can. Yeah, there is more tomatoes here, guys. Let me take this out of the way so you can see that. If not, yeah, just go ahead and plug it. So the ones that are half ripe as well, we'll have to plug them and just set them inside. There. If not, I can give it away here. My mom didn't matter what I will say. Your hands are full. If you don't can't get for it now. Oh, amazing again. I have to get here. Put a woman. There. Later I will separate them. I'll put the ripe one and the one that is half ripe separate. Oh my gosh, my hand is itchy right now. I think we had a beginning, we had like up to 8, no, more than 8, about 10 or so watermelons. But those evil squirrel, grass cutter, did not let it survive. They keep eating them up. So we only have 2 now. Only 2 big ones that was hidden.
Can we bring it inside now?
No, it's not matured enough. You can't bring it inside. So we'll just let it sit here until when it starts snowing, then we can take them out. But for now,
There'll be none until it's done to snow.
well, you can't just plug it out because something is about eating it. You cannot just plug it out because of that, because it's not even matured. So we'll just leave it there. Hopefully that they will not see it to eat it. But if they do, so be it. Where? I mean, if the squirrel, if they see the watermelon and eat them, that's okay. That means next year I'm not wasting my money in planting watermelon.
So why can't you just get a fence and put it?
Well, we have fence already, but those are, you know how small squirrel is, they can get into any little space that they have, that they can see. If I have my now, just do what you're asked to do, plug the tomatoes. There is still a lot of them I can see. Choma is doing it, but in Kegon. Kegon, I will not try to squeeze it. This one has some. What? Pizza. Come here. What else did you say we needed?
Get the pizza.
And what?
And I could not find my umbrella.
Your umbrella.
Yeah.
To do what?
To give myself a shade from the sun.
To give yourself a shade from the sun. Look at how lazy you are. Going to the farm with the umbrella. Akwaya? At time we got in America. Got in Nigeria if they go to farm with umbrella. Oh yeah, no. You better come here and pick up all the tomatoes. Come and pick up. Just to pluck tomatoes, characha, you need the umbrella. Oh, I'm almost done with this thing. A few more to go. You can never. Oops. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm not seeing so much red all over the place. So I think I've gotten much. I don't see any more red all over. So that will be it for today. Look like I want to come for any maybe. Yeah, I'm saying, how do I get over there to get it? Alright guys, this is all I could get today. So this one is like half ripe. The sun is really high, so I don't know if you guys can see this very well. So this is all I could get. These ones are not completely ripe, but these ones are ripe. So that's a lot for just today. I'll go ahead and set them inside. So these are, go ahead and take them. These ones are not. I'll put this over this one. I told my daughter to do this, separate the one that are not fully ripe from the one that are ripe. And she was like more interested in getting umbrella to shade herself. She wants umbrella to shade herself while she's supposed to be doing work. You know, can okay. So these are the ones, they are not fully ripe, but just in a day or two they'll be all right. Chama, did you get another container? Oh, okay, thank you. So we'll have to, if Naya. Did you take the pizza out of the oven?
No, I turned the oven off.
You turned it off? Okay. So I think we got most of it. The rice will leave for tomorrow or next time.
Plus, we have way more than we need. Just snip on one.
I told you to separate this stuff. The one that are ripe and the one that are half ripe. And what you did was to go inside that you were looking for again. What did you say you're looking for?
Umbrella. Oh, my umbrella.
Umbrella. People walking looking for umbrella, right?
I really
So does it mean that like you'll be picking the tomatoes with one hand and holding umbrella with one hand, or what is it gonna be like? You're becoming too lazy, and that's not good.
She already has those.
You're becoming too lazy. People don't do that. You know that in Nigeria, kids go to farm, like real farm, not like this garden both of us are doing here. Real farm. And they work for hours. Do you know that? That's called hard work. People work hard.
And if that says that she's not lazy.
And here, just to pick tomatoes from the garden. You see, each your umbrella. One, no wahala. Just your umbrella. I think we have to go visit Nigeria for like 6 months, and that will be farming season. Okay? We'll go to Nigeria. We'll go to Nigeria. What is what? And that will be farming season. So we'll go to farm. And I'll give you hole. You dig a ridge. And you plant stuff. Then when you come back, when you're asked to pluck something from the garden, you'll be so excited to do it, not whining and complaining. My daughter is looking so mad, like angry, just that I said that she'll be going to Nigeria for 6 months for farming. And she's looking as if she has been farming since she was born, just for hearing it already. Oh my God, these kids have. Okay, that's it. Choma, my hands are itchy, so let's go inside. Because I've been digging my hand in and out of all the holes. Those evil grass, these ones that has all those sharp mouths that's looking for who to eat. I keep seeing tomatoes that is inside there, but I don't really know how to get through to get it. When I feel like I'm leaving, then the tomatoes will flash in my eyes. Then when I come closer, it will disappear. Let me stay over here and see if I can see. And I need to plug this garden egg leaf today before all these ants start eating them up. Because they're already eating it. Okay.
Someone open the door. I want to go inside with these.
Just put everything out there on top of that patio. That ocean out there.
Already heavy.
Of course they are. So Chioma, please. Yeah, thank you.